Automatic decorticator is a new type of fiber extraction machine. It was designed based on years manufacturing experience. It is high efficiency with low labor intensity, low cost with high quality, easy operation and easy to maintain. So it is favored by fiber processing enterprise. If you are searching for the efficiency of fiber business, you could cooperate with us, which is Powerful Factory over 20 years. Shangjian Wider Machinery Manufacturing Corporation offer you customization service. If you need further information, please contact us freely.